What's the meaning of classified advertisements? Classified advertisements. Classified advertisements.
Classified advertisements. Classified advertisements. Classified advertisements refer to a form of advertising that is commonly found in newspapers, magazines, and online platforms. They are typically short and concise messages that advertise goods or services offered by individuals or businesses. Classified ads are organized by categories such as real estate, employment, automobiles, and personal services. These ads are usually cheaper to place than larger display ads and are therefore popular with small businesses and individuals seeking to sell their products or services. The goal is to reach a targeted audience who may be interested in what is being advertised.